Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I decided to take a little break from the town and make a microwave into a house. This is gonna be great. Let's get into it, and yeah, let's go. So I'm thinking we should use regular walls and then maybe a basic shape for the door. Let's just go like that, and then like that. There, we have the microwave. I think I'm gonna delete that and then make like a little opening there. Because we need some room for the door. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Bloxburg, what is happening? And then we'll make an upset. What the? It's slanted. Oh my gosh. I make so much mistakes. I don't know why. Alright, I'm going to add another wall. Oh my gosh. This is like annoying. I don't know why. I'm just really mad right now. Here we go. There. We have our thingy. Let's get painting. I don't think that's in the build option. Painting. We'll use like these for the numbers. But that's too big. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 0. Alright. Now we'll just get like a bar to like go. We can a start and a cancel button, I guess. And then there will just be like a bar here. I don't know what that's for, but okay. Let's use some basic shapes. This is gonna be hard. You know what? Let's just start with like the outside. Cause I'm probably gonna do that off camera and then show you guys. Cause I don't want to go through all that. Should we use this? We never use this. I don't know why. Kind of would make sense. Okay, let's just use that. That looks alright. I mean, I guess it's kind of reminds me of my building in like 2021, but I honestly don't care. Okay, let's just place down these. I'm probably gonna have to speed up this whole entire thing. Oh gosh, that is not gonna be good, but you guys know how I am sometimes. Alright, we got that. We need to go and get our roof. Oh gosh. Resize up. Don't know why it has to be so complicated a lot of the times. There, we got it. Alright, I will come back to you once I get the door. So I got the door. It's not that good, but it's alright. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I guess we can like houseify this microwave, maybe? If that would be good. And then get rid of that. It'll look weird at first, but we can always reshape it. Let me just get rid of that. Oh my gosh. I don't want that overlapping. Okay, we're just gonna have to like do that again. Now I'm probably gonna have to speed this up now, which is gonna be annoying. Oh. You know, I have to do what I have to do, and this is something I hate doing, but oh my gosh, what is happening? Ugh. Why am I so bad at making paths? I don't know why. Alright, you know what? I don't care. I'm making it slate. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it. You know what? It's late. I'm forgetting where all the textures are. What is wrong with me? I have to type it in. Yeah, I'll just come back to you guys. This kind of annoying. So I got a lot of stuff done. What is that? Why is there just string lights sticking out there? Oh yeah, guys, I added a pool because we got above ground pools. That's pretty cool. And I wasn't expecting that, but at least we got it. Happy about that. Let's make the bathroom. Okay, I need to find something real quick. Okay. Now, we need to get a toilet. Like I was saying, let's just get a sink, tub. I forgot to color this wall. Okay, let's just put the tub right here. Alright, that's good. Now we get a carpet. Where the heck is the carpet? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Let's make it beige. There we go. The bathroom is complete. Now we move on to the bedroom with the mysterious string lights that I cannot delete. Okay, let's get a bed. Where's the bed? Okay. I guess I'll just get this industrial pipe single bed. It's gonna be very simple. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But yeah. Okay, you know what? This doesn't match with the style, but wooden and industrial, no. I don't care. I'm gonna have to finish this in a rush because I'm gonna get a dresser. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. At least we made it into a microwave. Like, I don't really think we need to do much with it. I guess just get like a plant or a bookshelf, that kind of stuff. Like that. And then, you know what? To finish off the empty space, we're just gonna put windows. I honestly don't care. What the heck? Oh. I guess it'll be like... I guess that's fine. Okay, yeah, that's alright. Oh! I deleted my pool. Alright, yeah, it's like a little skylight there. A little bit of a skylight. And shelf. And then I think we're done. Oh, book. Let's just get... You know what? Let's just fill this up with like posters. And then we're done. Alright, let's go to the outro. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like or subscribe button. And then if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to stay tuned because I will be posting more than I have been. But we're going to be doing that, and stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.